video, we're asked to figure out what the output of the program is. This is very much like the last one that we did, but it's slightly modified to be a little bit different. So first off, we go into our main method here, and we see a call to our first method, which we then jump to here, and it says inside the first method, following the same strategy as before, the third method is going to have the most println statements, so I'm going to copy everything in the third state, or everything in the third method that happens. So making a call to the third method basically jumps down to here, and it says, okay, so the first thing we want to do is go to the first method and do what it's doing. So it says inside the first method, after we're done, we jump back here, we can check that off. Then we go to the second method, so we jump to it, and it says inside the second method. Then its next statement says, let's go to the first method and figure out what it's doing. So we go to the first method, and it says inside first method. So I need to get rid of all these thes. They're not good. So we can get rid of the. We can get rid of the. Oops. There we go. Okay, so now that we've finished the second method here, we can check this off, and the second method's all good. So we jump back to the third, and we can see that the third message is, or the third method has now completed the first and the second method calls. So now we finish up with the inside third method call, or println here. So we say inside third method. Okay, so keeping this in mind, I'm going to copy these lines of code here because those basically just represent those represent the println statements that are done in the third method. So now we jump back, we finished our third method call here in our main, so we can check that off. Now we make a call to the second method here. So what does the second method do? It says inside second method, then it makes a call to the first method, which goes up here. And it says inside first method, and we can print that off there. So now that we've completed this, we can check it off, and now we make a call to our third method, and we just copied and pasted that down here, so we can now submit, and there we go. Good to go.